What the f is going on? Hey! Look at this crap. You know what I got? We're live. We are live. Like normal. But you know what? I'm so excited today because I had so much pounding on my internet door. They're pounding, trying to pound it down. You wanted a 10 series? We got it today. We are starting the official over-under of our 10 series. Yep, 10 boats. Aluminum, here we come because we love you. You ready for it? There you go. The 10 series starts now. Here we go. We're starting off with the Vexus. We got the Vexus AVX 2080. All right, I got it right here in my hand. Right there. First of all, we're gonna start and give a shout out to Vexus on their boat building internet. I'm on the Weber looking for the thing because theirs is spot on. It's easy. You can go through it real nice. It all organizes down and it seems to be simple. Jordan's commented time and time again how nice Vexus is to be able to go and utilize their website to build a boat. So first off, shout out to you Vexus for doing an outstanding job on boat build site. Maybe the rest of you companies might want to look at theirs and maybe try to steal some ideas because it's upfront, it's simple, it's easy to use, you get to the end result. Whether you got to go to a dealer, whether or not you got to go right to Vexus, it tells you it works perfectly. So just go check out that. Just go check out their site. Just build a boat once. It's kind of cool. Just go build a boat. This is where we're going. All right. So we went with the AVX 2080. All right, I got the summary in my hand. Bingo. You ready? Boat motor trailer. AVX 2080. Starting price, $43,519. $43,500. That's what I'm gonna say. Okay. We're talking 10, people. 10. 10. All right. We're starting at 40 grand and 10. All right, that's a lot of pop cans for 40 grand. That's a lot of pop cans, but here we go. All right, 10 boat. We went with the crimson metallic color. That's free. You get to pick your color. Like I want purple, it's free. I want orange, it's free. I want to go green, it's free, I guess, because it's free. It doesn't charge me for it. So my paint's free. I get to pick my colors. It doesn't have to be 10 colors. The boat, motor, and trailer, Yamaha 200 SHO. 200. We tried to put a 225 on this. Sorry, won't let you. No 200, no 225. Only 200 on this 20-foot boat. Don't know why. Maybe she starts to fall apart. Nah, we're not gonna get into that. But, so boat, motor, Yamaha, trailer, $43,519. $43,500 for the 10 boat, okay? We got the crimson metallic paint on it because we like it. We like crimson. We felt crimson-y that day. It was free, so that's why we went with it. We went with the free. All right, we're on to the trolling motor / batteries. We got the 80 Minn Kota Ultrex MDI 45-inch shaft, because we couldn't get a 112 on this boat. They wouldn't let us. Click, 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 no go. All right, so, and then we've got the charger and the holder. That's what we got, okay? Battery, holder, and charger. You'll find the batteries are coming later, okay? That's $2,500. But that was the Minn Kota 80 MDI with the onboard charger from Minn Kota. Console electronics, we were able to go with 2 Helix 10s at the console, Gen 3. It does include, as a second unit, it includes the dual bracket. So we got the dual bracket when we ordered the second unit. So that was in on the price of $45.93. The bow electronics, now we're fishing from the front here, standing up there on that huge deck that they got. We were able to get 2 units, but we couldn't go with the same. So we had to pick the 10 and the 12. So we put the 12 below, stacked the 10, both MDI, both GPS, both Gen 3s. Unit includes dual bracket when you got the second one. So what they're doing here is it comes probably with the standard single. You can upgrade to the bigger unit, but then when you add the unit, they put the dual bracket in the price for you. Pretty good deal. Not bad at all. $6,639 in the front. It's almost like $6,600 in the front. Then packages wise, it comes to a part where you get the packages. We clicked on the Victor package, the same package we went with the glass boat when we did Vexus. I'm just gonna give you a quick rundown on the Victor package. You got the remote drain plug, bloop, 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 that we kind of like once in a while. The adjustable driver's seat, you know, we can, short guy, big guy, skinny guy. I'm not gonna get into that, like Neil will come by me and kill me. Fat guy. The color match bow cockpit panels. So I got these real cool cockpit panels it comes with. The auto bilge comes in that standard. 2 trolling motor batteries, right there it is. Told you it was coming. In the Victor package, you get 2. Count them, 1, 2 trolling motor batteries. Comes with the Victor package. Color match trailer step. We get that. The bolt buckle tie downs up front. And the custom spare tire. I don't know what's custom about it, but you get one. It's in the package, so we're taking it. And color match bow cockpit panels in bold print. We talked about it up here, but now they're telling me right here, bold print. You get the panels to match the boat, so you don't have a pile of poo sitting in the middle of the boat. You get these cool panels that go with it. That's $1,200, that package is. All right, miscellaneous options. So these options, I think, were add-ons to what we did. We upgraded to what was there, correct? Yes, so these are upgraded options. We went with the auto bilge to replace the standard. So we put the auto in to replace the standard. Driver's seat adjustable, we talked about that. We got that. Oh, C-Star upgrade. We went with the upgraded C-Star power hydraulic steering from Baystar, okay? We got the tilt steering wheel, because I want, like I always say, you gotta ride like I'm in a Cadillac, you know what I mean? We gotta get the damn going on, all right? So then we got the interior light package. I'm not a big light guy on the deck, but I like the idea of having lights in my live well. I don't know, I just feel like it's cool when the fishies get light, you know? Think of any aquarium, you always turn a light on and you get to see the cool fishies. I like the light thing in the live well. I don't know, I'm just dumb that way. I don't know, I like it. But it comes, the light package comes on, rod boxes, storage boxes, live wells, all that stuff. The jack plate, of course we went hydraulic. It comes with the dual blinker, so we don't have to go over here, grab it, move it over to here. We get dual blinker trim. C-Star hot foot, vroom, vroom, vroom. We gotta have the hot foot pedal. We love the hot foot with the slide plate, of course, because that goes back to the slide seat for the short, tall guys, and the skinny and fat guys getting in there too. So we gotta make sure we got the pedal at the right spot. That was $8,800 in options we added. We added $8,800 in upgrade options to our $43,000 boat. That was just in the options. And then we got, we got more. Recessed foot pedal, we had to add that. We got the seats, the bike seats, front and back. And then of course we added the power poles. So the power poles are in there with the brackets and the custom boat cover. All that is your $8,800. That makes more sense now because we got $4,000 in power poles and brackets. So there you go, you got $8,800 for all that. Everything I said there. So I guess that's not bad. That's not bad at all. Boat buckle tie downs are, trailer options here. Here we go. Boat buckle option for tie downs, we got that. Color match trailer, step accent, the custom aluminum spare tire, which we already talked about. The front step, we added the front step. We got trailer brakes, of course, and the tandem axle upgrade on the 19, okay. So we got the tandem axle upgrade for $621. The trailer option upgrade is $621. So we've got, I'm just gonna give you a quick rundown. Remember, we're starting at $43,500. The trolling motor and the charger and the battery boxes, I'm gonna call them, $2,500. We got the console electronics at $4,500, the bow electronics at $6,600. We have the Victor package we added for $1,200, and then we got the miscellaneous upgrade options we added to the boat for $8,800 and the $600 trailer. What brings us to a grand total of a whopping $67,911. $68,000 on the round up for the pop can. 68. He was quiet. I heard him not working, so I was like, what's going on? $68,000. $68,000. $68,000 for the pop can, and we are overpriced. Overpriced. Guys, I know you're gonna say $68,000 for a tin boat. I know it comes all, it's cool. It looks cool. It looks bad. I'm looking at the picture right now. It looks cool, and it ain't even in color. Okay, it ain't even in color. No, I'm not happy with $68,000 for my tin boat. I don't think 43.5 is overpriced if it had everything on it. And I understand there's margins here. I get it. 100% get it. I understand you got people to pay for it. I get it. But we're at 69, almost 69,000. By the time you get tax on it, you're at 70K. I think, was the glass boat 90? Glass boat was 90K. 70, 90, 10, 200, 250 glass. Better electronics, because it had 12s, not 1012. I don't know. I still, it's overpriced. It's overpriced. It's overpriced because as we go through this 10 series, you're gonna see that there's gonna be some more boats that come through with, and we only can put a 200 on it. Why can't I put a 2 1/4 on this thing? Why can't I put a 2 1/4 on my 20-foot boat? No? Why is that not an option? Right? It might be an option. Maybe it is an option, but we can't find it on their website, and their website's pretty cool. And it's pretty good. Like I said, props in the beginning about how to click and build your own boat. But I should be able to put a 225 on this boat. Somebody's got to tell me why I can't put a 2 1/4 on this boat. Why can I not put a 2 1/4 on this boat? Just need to know. Somebody's got to tell me. They won't let me. I click on it, it won't go. They just won't. They just won't. It's not going to happen. I don't understand it. But there it is, man. It's your AVX 2080 summary. $68,000. $68,000. And I truly believe that it's overpriced. That's where I'm at. It's overpriced. I'm just gonna settle at it. Whoosh, done. I just dropped the anvil. Done. It's overpriced. Overpriced. It's overpriced because I can't foresee it.
Anvil dropping.
Thank you. Thank you. There, it happened. It happened. Done. It's over. Overpriced. Comment on it. Let me know. Let me know what you think about what I just said. I'm sure there's going to be some pissed off people, but I'm just here to tell you, I don't think I'd pay $68,000 for a
pop can.
Thank you for a pop can. It's the beginning of our 10 series. Here we go. Wait till the next one. You're going to like the next one too. But there it is. That's your Vexus overpriced 10 series. Your AVX 2080 summary. 68,000, too much for Andy. Like always, comment, subscribe, click the notification bell to witness the madness that I call speed, money, Neil,
and no brakes.
That's it. Time to go back to work. I'm gone.